We bring you now to United Medical Center in Washington, where Vice President-elect Kamala Harris, you see her there waving, her husband Doug Emhoff, just off camera, are both going to be receiving their COVID-19 vaccinations. You can see her rolling up her sleeve, ready to go. The Vice President-elect's vaccinations coming just about a week after President-elect Joe Biden received his live on national television. Now, after getting the shot, President-elect Biden reassured Americans of the vaccine safety, urged them to get vaccinated as soon as the shots become available to them. We learned from a transition spokesperson earlier today that President-elect Biden and Vice President-elect Harris have staggered these vaccinations at the recommendation of health experts. The reason for such a recommendation, many have thought, could be that if Biden and Harris reported any side effects like a headache, fever, that type of thing, they would not experience them on the same day. You see the nurse or doctor there ready to inject Vice President-elect Kamala Harris. We can listen in.
That was easy. Thank you.
There's no bleeding.
I barely felt it. I barely felt it.
Awesome. I will put the phone down. And we are all right.
Okay.
Awesome.
Thank you, Nurse Patricia. Thank you. Well, I want to thank United Medical Center for the work that you do in Southeast DC, serving a community that is often overlooked. So it is good to be here. And I've now been vaccinated, as Joe likes to say. There's a big difference between the vaccine and vaccinations. I want to encourage everyone to get the vaccine. It is relatively painless. It happens really quickly. It is safe. The Moderna, the Pfizer today, I had the Moderna vaccine. My husband is going to have it today as well. I look forward to getting the second vaccine. And literally, this is about saving lives. It's literally about saving lives. I trust the scientists. And it is the scientists who created and approved this vaccine. So I urge everyone, when it is your turn, get vaccinated. It's about saving your life, the life of your family members, and the life of your community. And so thank you, and let's all just do what we need to do to stay healthy and safe this holiday season and every day of the year. Thank you all.
Madam Vice President-elect, I have two questions. One is this, taking this vaccine in Anacostia, predominantly Black community.
Yes.
Is this an effort to dispel fears and mistrust in the minority community with this vaccine?
So I'm in Anacostia today because, first of all, we have phenomenal healthcare providers like Nurse Patricia who serve the community, and we have hospitals and medical centers and clinics like this all over the country who are staffed by people who understand the community, who often come from the community, and who administer all year round trusted health care. And so I want to remind people that right in your community is where you can take the vaccine, where you will receive the vaccine by folks you may know, folks who otherwise are working in the same hospital where your children were born, folks who are working in the same hospital where an elderly relative received the kind of care that they needed. So I want to remind people that they have trusted sources of help, and that's where they will be able to go to get the vaccine. So I encourage them to do that.
And lastly, on the stimulus check, Chuck Schumer is trying to increase it to $2,000 with unanimous consent today. It may not pass. Mitch McConnell is holding it up. What say you?
Well, I actually have a bill for that. Where a while back, I recommended that folks receive a $2,000 check. And so I would urge Mitch McConnell to put my bill on the floor for a vote.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.